Welcome to the shop, where today we're going to be installing the Quadboss support roof on my 2013 Polaris RZR. This roof is a foam filled plastic design, so if you can see there, it's a pretty thick roof, yet it's also fairly lightweight. They do that for strength. That way if you was to hit something, the roof ain't going to flex on you. The roof is made with 4 attachment points. You got one here, and one in the other 2 corners. Location is for a stereo compartment they offer. Now if you get the stereo compartment, it bolts right here. Your wiring runs through this little groove, and they got a speaker set up that you can mount right back here. That way you've got 2 speakers, you got a stereo, everything mounts right here to the roof. This roof comes with your instructions, along with all the hardware required to mount. First thing we're going to do is we're going to mount our hardware loosely on the cage. Then we're going to take the roof, set it on top, adjust our brackets where we need them, then we can bolt it down. You want your 2 front clamps facing outward, and you want your 2 rear clamps facing inward. And now, with all 4 brackets loosely mounted in place, we can go ahead and lay the roof on the back and adjust the brackets to align with the roof. With all 4 bolts installed, wiggle the roof just a little to help everything line up where it actually needs to go. Look everything over real good, make sure everything's sitting the way you want it. If everything's sitting the way you want it, you can take a 4mm Allen wrench and a 10mm socket and go ahead and tighten the 4 roof screws up. We can go ahead and tighten up the brackets that mount it to the cage.